Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log out of Telegram Web on your Windows laptop or PC. Whether you're using Telegram Web on Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser, the steps are simple and only take a few seconds. Logging out is important, especially if you're using a public or shared computer. Let's get started. Start by opening the browser where you've logged in to Telegram Web. Go to the tab where Telegram Web is already running .or. Open your browser and type web.telegram.org. Then press Enter to go to your Telegram Web account if you're still logged in. Once you're in Telegram Web and your chat list is visible, look at the top left corner of the Telegram Web interface. Click on the three horizontal lines. In the sidebar that appears, scroll down and click on Settings. Now that you're in Settings, click three dots on the top right corner and click Logout. A confirmation pop-up may appear, asking if you're sure you want to log out. Click Logout again to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of Telegram Web on your Windows laptop, and that's how you log out of Telegram Web on your Windows laptop. It's fast, simple, and important for protecting your privacy, especially if you use Telegram Web in internet cafes, schools, or shared environments. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.